Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's monthly plan with me, weekly plan with me is going to be a little bit different. Normally when I'm doing a weekly plan with me or a monthly plan with me, I am just showing you all my planner. However, it's like the second week of February and life has been happening and so much has been going on that I started planning a little bit of February last week. I started off with my schedule planner and I did set that one up, and I think I did my budget planner. Yeah, I did my schedule planner and my budget planner, and I was able to set both of those up, but I didn't do any of the other ones because last Tuesday my husband got a call about his dad, and my husband's dad passed on Friday. That threw like everything off. So I ended up having to preach Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday at our church, which means that you all did not get a video at all from me last week. I have not set up my planners. I was kind of thrown all the way off. I was running around with the girls just trying to handle so much that I had to put everything else on hold. But today we are getting back into the swing of things, and so I did do a lot this morning. Let's see, what did I do this morning? I got breakfast together for the girls. I dropped them off at school. I brought my dad to his dialysis appointment, and then I went to work out and I ran 3 miles today, which I'm very proud of. I'm really trying to get back into working out. I didn't work out at all last week, and I did a couple of chores around the house. I threw some laundry in the wash, dishes, kind of tidied up this morning, and I'm now drinking water because this is another thing that I'm really trying to get on top of. I'm going to be setting up the rest of my planners. So now we're going to head over to the table so that I can switch you all over to a top-down shot, and we're going to look at where I am in my planner right now, and we're going to be setting up all of the other sections in my planner. As I was preparing to film for all of the other planners that I have within my system, my husband and I got a call on that Tuesday. My husband flew out to Maryland on Tuesday morning because I think we got the call Monday or Sunday. The doctors that were taking care of his dad basically called him to go and see him, and his dad did pass on Friday. And so when that happened, it's like everything kind of stopped for a week. I had to jump in and do some things at our church. I preached on Monday, on Wednesday, on Sunday, and I streamed all of those. So they are available to watch on Organized Money channel or on Empowerment channel if you follow our church channel. But I covered all of our services, which means that I wasn't in my planner. I wasn't doing it. All I was doing in my planner is like prepping for the services. So at the back here you can see like a lot of my notes. I think this was from Sunday's message, and this is just me preparing and planning and writing things out. But as you can see, it's not neat. I was just writing things down in here as I was taking notes in my Bible. My faith planner is not set up. My notes planner is not set up. I think my budget planner is, because I got to that one before the end of the month. Yes. My maintenance planner is not set up. I did a little bit in my to-do planner. I think we got this done, but I did not finish my monthly spread. And my schedule planner was the only one that I actually set it up because I set this one up before we got the call. So that's where I am in my planner. And today I am trying to get caught up a little bit. We do have some planning to do. We have to prepare to go out there for the funeral. It's been a lot. So that's what we're going to be doing, is setting up the rest of this. I think I'm going to start with my maintenance planner today. I do need to set up all of the videos that I'm going to film for this month, but we're going to hold off on that one. And I think I'm going to do my maintenance planner. My maintenance planner is where I set up everything for my home and my habits and my personal life. And so that's what we're going to set up. I have been using these Valentine's Day stickers. And I think I am still going to use those. Did I put them? These are the stickers that are going out to Organize You for this month. It is a Valentine's Day set. You should hopefully have them in your mailbox by Tuesday, because I did mail them out late last week. Once again, everything was all over the place, but I did get these out to you. So hopefully they should be in your mailbox by Tuesday of this week. I think I might have another February. Oh, I do. I have these February stickers that I got a while ago. It was a freebie with some sticker kits that I purchased from Daily Dose Stickers. And so I'm gonna use this as well. I think they match pretty well. So yeah, that's what we'll do. And I'll start off with my overview page. On my overview page, I usually keep track of the projects that I have coming up for the month in my home and any other home things that I have coming up this month. I wonder if I could use this sticker. Oh, I also have some dots. I want to use those. Let's see if I have any other boxes. So I know I want to write down my projects for this month, things I need to do for family. So I'm going to use some small dots from my shop just to highlight the different projects that I am working on, which I think for this month we are just going to be doing my closet. This project is taking me forever just because other stuff just keeps coming up. But that's okay. That's how life goes sometimes. Sometimes things just come up, you know? And with every project I have, I like to break it down into smaller things that I need to do. So I am breaking it down by the 3 areas of clothing that I currently have. And so I have my dressers. I also have the top rack of my closet and then the bottom rack of my closet. And so I can pick a day and do one of these things. For family, I have to do the Valentine's Day baskets for my girls. Also, I'm adding in all of the things that are coming up this month, like the things that I want to make sure I make a habit of, like working out. I also want to book a facial. I have a Galentine's night that is coming up. I also want to book a dinner date with my husband, and I need to do my car restock. So that's basically just organizing the things that's in my car and restocking a lot of the things that I keep in my car. And then at the bottom, I am going to write in all of my upcoming projects for the house. And so that is like my kitchen organization. I also need to replace the desk that is in my living room. So I'm currently looking for that new desk. So this is what my overview page looks like. For the month of February, I have used all of the Daily Dose stickers, so I like to have a nice clean sheet and use all of them. And now we're going to move over to my monthly spread, and this is where I am just keeping up with all of my home and project and family things. With my monthly setup and my maintenance planner, I know a lot of times it feels like it's going to be redundant from my schedule planner, but it's actually not, because I usually will highlight the different things that are coming up for the month, but then I'm also going to highlight additional days. I need to make sure that something is done for something else. Like for instance, Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is going to be on Saturday, but I do know that I want to have baskets for my girls. That is something that I like to do every single year. I will create Valentine's Day baskets for them. And so I know that I need to order all of the things for that. That is not in my schedule planner. I won't have in my schedule planner when I need to have all of the things ready for the Valentine's Day baskets, but I will put it in my maintenance planner. So that's why I feel like it's not really redundant, because the additional details for the things that I need to make sure that something gets done is something that I need to keep track of, but I don't have the space to keep track of it within my schedule planner. Within my schedule planner, I just have I don't even have Valentine's Day in here, which I should write that. But I do have like coffee meetings that morning, and then I know we're gonna do something family related right after that, but that's not in my schedule planner because I have too much that I need to write within this one, but I will put it on here. So we are going to write in that I'm going to prepare their Valentine's Day basket. So Mardi Gras is on the 17th. We are going to try and take the girls out to a parade or do something fun as a family. Like I said, these past couple of weeks have been more challenging because Tori's dad, his funeral is going to be on the 21st, which means we are going to take a trip to Maryland. So we're trying to find a way to make it a little bit easier on our girls. And this is us just trying to like get some type of routine back in place. So what I am doing is just writing everything out as they are coming. Now, a lot of times what I'll end up doing is using this as kind of like a memory keeper as well, like just different things that's coming up throughout the course of the month. So sometimes it will start off a little empty and then we will just kind of add things as we go. So I am going to add a couple of stickers just across the top here, just because it looks a little empty to me. I think it's because I just don't have as much on here yet, but toward the middle end of the month, I should have more. Okay, that is it for my monthly, and I do think that I am going to set up my weekly really quick. For my week, I do want to set this up. It is, what, the second week of February? And so I think I'm gonna start off with the second week of February instead of backdating. Sometimes I will backdate and just kind of put in what actually happened in the previous week. But to be honest, I wasn't really doing any routines. It was a pretty challenging week. It doesn't make any sense for me to add in all of the habits that I was supposed to do last week that I didn't do. So we're going to just start off with this week. Okay, so we're gonna do habits at the bottom here. We're gonna put to buy on this side, to pay on this side, and then I have projects that I'm currently working on this week, and meals we are eating this week. I'm just gonna add in the last of these stickers. I don't have many left on this sheet. Let's start at the bottom with my habits here. I'm gonna write out the habits down here and then write across. I saw Planning with Bumble do this and I thought it was a great idea. So we are going to just add in these highlights to mark down my habits for the week, and then I'm gonna check them off as I go. Now, some of these for Monday we have already done, like I did my workout. I have not done my faith plan, but I did do my laundry and I did dishes. Set up this side. I am going to add in all of the additional things that I need to pay this week, the meals, projects that I have coming up, but this is basically what it looks like so far. And then on this side, I believe I am just going to keep up with the different things as they happen, things that I need to do throughout the house. Like I was dropping off my dad to dialysis. I also have to bring him to a doctor's appointment on tomorrow. I'm also gonna have to pick up my husband from the airport, so I need to write those things down. But this side is gonna be basically like family things that I need to do. This side is mainly like habits and home things that need to happen. I also need to go to the grocery store, so we're gonna add that in here as well. Okay, this is what my planner is gonna look like so far. I still have my to-do planner, which that is just really going to be setting up my work schedule and the videos that I'm planning on filming this month. So I still need to do that one, but we are making progress. By the time I finish all of these, it's probably gonna be time to plan for March, but that's okay. Sometimes it's like that in certain months. Other times you just have it all together. So this is what we are looking like for the month of February within my maintenance planner. I have all my projects and all the things that are coming up this month. I also have my monthly calendar, and then we have this week planned out within here as well. And I'll probably take a picture and post on Instagram what this looks like at the end of the week, because it's really bare right now, but by the end of the week it's going to be fully filled out, and I love it when it's fully filled out. So guys, that's going to be it for this video, and I'm not sure how helpful it was, but this is something that I definitely needed to do, and I will still go back and plan, even if it may not necessarily make sense to plan because we are so far within the month. But this really does help me to get back on track, back on routine, and helps me to put in place all of the things that we are trying to do and accomplish. So I hope that this one has helped you, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.